Hello everyone, welcome to Groupboss version 4 tutorial video. Our Facebook lead generation tool lets you collect unlimited leads from your Facebook groups. Configure your Google Sheet. Now let's show you the whole process in detail. All you have to do is go to the Chrome extension again and hit the settings options. You'll be able to see the Google Sheet configuration. Here in this dialog box, you have to insert your editable Google Sheet link. Let's try one. Go to your editable Google Sheet and tap the Share option. Turn it into anyone with the link category, also from Viewer to Editor. Now copy the link and paste it on Groupboss Chrome extension. Before you do, you see here in the header row, there is nothing. But when you configure the Google Sheet link, the headings will be updated automatically. So let's get back to the Groupboss Chrome extension, put the Google Sheet URL in here, and click Connect. Great! As you can see, the Google Sheet headers have been updated, and the lead generation will be done under these headings. If you are new here, you'll see authorization pop up. Just allow Groupboss there, and you're good to go.